Hi guys, today I'm going to be opening a squishy dumpling. I finally found something sort of similar to the other squishy dumpling, so let's open it. But first, these are the ones you can get. You can get a white one, you can get a turquoise, a pink, a gold, a glow, and an ombre one. So let's see which one we get. Alright, got that open. Now, I hear it. Oh my god! I'm like so excited right now. Oh my god. Ooh, okay. I just have to get this plastic off first. Oh my god, why is there 2 layers of plastic? Like, come on, man. Alright, good. I got it. So, we're going to open it in 3, 2, 1. Oh, I got the white one. Oh, it's actually really good. It's actually a good squish. It's actually not that bad, honestly. It could have been better, but like, it's not that bad. But yeah, so this is what we have so far. Bye!